Sanibonani and welcome to another Zulumites video. Today we learn how to express our feelings in Zulu. Ngijabulile, which means I am happy. Ngidabukile, which means I am sad. Ngilambile, which means I am hungry. Ngomile, which means I am thirsty. Ngikhathele, which means I am tired. Enjoy using these and see you next time. Salani kahle.